Hi everyone, this is Julio from Fitness Foundry, and I want to give you a few tips on how to optimize your cardio experience at the gym for weight loss. Boom! So the first thing we want to do is find cardio equipment that allows you to enter your weight into it. Another tip when you're searching for cardio equipment with the purpose to optimize your caloric expenditure, choose an equipment that is multi-joint, meaning it recruits the upper and lower body. More muscles moving, more calories. The next thing we want to do is to find out what metric or what unit of energy expenditure is the equipment using. Is it watts? Is it METs? And once we find out what it's using, we can actually find out how many calories you are burning before you even go on the equipment. So let's say we choose METs and we enter our weights. So one of the first things you can do is for 15 minutes or 20 minutes, whatever the duration of your activity, find out what the average METs for that time is. Once I know how many METs I'm averaging for the duration of my cardio, I can now start to explore and see how many calories am I going to burn if I do, let's say if I was averaging 7 METs, what if I was averaging 9 METs? So I go to Fitness Foundry's MET calculator and I put in the METs 9, my weight, and duration of time, 15 minutes. And then I can see how many calories I'm actually burning more for that duration of time. That's very important. This is all part of the big picture of setting realistic weight loss expectations. So once I know how many calories I can burn, I can plan out my week. So if I was going to do 5 days of working out, knowing I can do 15 to 30 minutes, I know how many calories I can burn from the cardio. So let's just say, for example, for those 5 days, I burn a total of 1,500 calories for those 5 days. And knowing that there's 3,500 calories in a pound of fat, I need to find another 2,000 calories for that week to create it. I have to create another deficit. So it's not going to come from my cardio, it has to come from my nutrition. If you want to learn more how to optimize your time for long-term weight loss, then you're in luck. I do have an online long-term weight loss support group, and the link is in the description. Main takeaway from this video is that you want an equipment that allows you to enter your weight. Without that, you're going to get information that's not based on you. That's pretty much it. So that's your homework. Next time you go to the gym, find an equipment that lets you put in your weight, and then the second thing, see if it allows you to select METs or watts, and you're on the road to long-term weight loss.